Hi everyone, Find My iPhone is grayed out in your Apple ID settings and you can turn it off. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. First, make sure location services is enabled. Open settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. The first option should be location service. Turn it on. It's off. But if Find My iPhone is still grayed out, or if the location service toggle itself disabled, then it's likely due to content and privacy restriction being enabled. To fix it, head back to settings, tap screen time, then go to content and privacy restrictions. Here you have two options. Disable content and privacy restrictions completely by toggling it off, or manually check that location service is set to allow, so you can enable it from here. Next, scroll down, ensure passcode and Face ID settings are also set to allow. Now, go back to Apple ID settings, tap Find Me, and you should be able to turn it off. If it's still grayed out, stolen device protection might be enabled. To fix this, open settings, scroll down, tap Face ID and passcode. Then go to stolen device protection and turn it off. Once that's done, first close the settings app, reopen it, and you should now be able to disable Find Me iPhone by entering your Apple ID password. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.